We're down here at Waimak Bridge Development. We're showcasing 2 of our projects down here.
We're here at Lot 3 building a 750 square metre warehouse with an 80 square metre office. We've had tilt panels stood, structural steel all complete, ready for roof. The office will be standing frames and ready for a fit out very shortly.
So Lot 3 is a development that we have purchased the land a year ago and worked with our client to design a warehouse that's suitable for them and their new operation. They needed a much bigger space and we've designed it to meet their needs. Lot 4, we've purchased this land a year ago and designed the warehouse as the market needs.
We are currently standing the precast panels, which are made off-site at our BG Cooke precast yard, which are then transported to site and installed with our BG Cooke crane and the team on site.
We're going to lease or sell this project once completed. It's a 1,000 square warehouse with lots of concrete aprons and a beautiful office on the front of it.
It's been a pleasure working with our contractors and our team on this project to date, and we're looking forward to continuing and completing these projects.
So if you're in the market to lease, buy, design, build, BG Cooke would love to partner with you.